Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. How are you today? Good. Hopefully you are all healthy and ready to learn. Before we start today's lesson, who is absent today? Okay. Then let's start by praying together so that today learning will run smoothly and be beneficial. Please one of you lead the prayer. Okay? Okay, thank you. Today, we will study an important topic in the science lesson, namely ecosystem. Before we study further, pay attention to the picture in front. Have you ever seen a fish pond or park around your house, school, or playground? Ever? Okay, good. Then, what do you see in this picture? Fish, good. Weather, good. And plants, okay, good. Now we will learn what an ecosystem is and how the living things in it are interconnected. Now, try to look at the following pictures. These are examples of the types of ecosystem that we often encounter. We can see that in environment, there are many types of ecosystem, such as rice fields, sea, forests, and mountains. Up to this point, in anything you want to ask? Yes, please, Dinda. Wow, that's a very good question. Okay, I will answer Dinda question. But before that, you make group first consisting of 3 to 4 children. Then you will note down important material about ecosystem, okay? Okay, I will share the LKPD later. Please discuss it with the group and fill it in after observing the picture that I give at the end of the material, okay? Okay, let's continue the material. Please pay attention. Okay. A. Definition. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is the interaction between living things and the environment in which they live. All living things depend on each other and also on their surrounding to survive. Okay? B. Ecosystem components. In an ecosystem, there are two main components, namely, the first is the biotic component. Biotic components are all living things, so as humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms. Okay, next. The second is the abiotic components. Abiotic components are non-living things that support life, such as sunlight, air, water, soil, and temperature. Okay, next. C. Types of living things in the ecosystem. Namely, there are producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers are living things that make their own food, such as green plants through photosynthesis. Consumers are living things that eat other living things, such as animals and humans. Decomposers are living things that decompose the remains of dead living things, such as fungi and bacteria. Okay, next. D. Example of interaction in the ecosystem. For example, in the rice field, namely, rice as a producer, grasshopper as consumer number 1, frog as consumer number 2, snakes as consumer number 3, and eagles as top predator. Okay, we have learned what is ecosystem, ecosystem component biotic and abiotic, and how living things interacts with each other in the ecosystem. Okay, next, please observe this picture and discuss with your group member which classification are included in the biotic and abiotic components along with their roles in the ecosystem. After that, please write it in the LKPD that I have shared earlier. Okay, if there is anything unclear, please ask, okay? I will give you 20 minutes to work on it. After that, one group will present the result of their group discussion and the other will respond, okay? Okay, it's finished. Please group 1 present the result of their group discussion. Okay, good. Please other group will want to respond to the result of group 1. Okay, good. Applause to group 1 and group 2. So, it's clear? Okay, our learning activities today are finished. Please study again at home what was learned and noted earlier. Thank you, children. I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week. Bye.